Highland Fling. What's your name?
Emma.
And what are you doing here today, Emma?
Jumping off a bridge.
And how you feeling about that?
Cold.
Apart from being cold,
Yeah,
excited?
Yeah, excited.
Alright, let's do it.
We're gonna get a picture across this way. Sweet. Right. There, we're gonna get a picture across this way. Get back on like there, that way. Oh, there's one down there. There's one dude. Right. Arms up and on my count. Nice big dive. 3, 2, 1. Head rush! I reached that. How am I supposed to reach that? Where's it? Got it. Oh my god. Woo!
Have a look out! How was that?
That was awesome!
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Lovely. Well done. Highland Fling Bungee.
Thank you.
You ready for this?
No.
That's the wrong answer. Alright, well, welcome to Highland Fling. What's your name?
I'm Stephen.
And what are you doing here today, Stephen?
Jumping off a bridge.
And is this your first time?
Yes.
How are you feeling?
Very
yeah.
Well, let's do it anyway, shall we?
Why not? I'm here now.
Yeah, picture across this way. Sweet. Right. Shuffle on out to the edge. Stop there. We're gonna get a picture across this way again. Get back on right there. We'll wave. Awesome. Right, arms up and on my count. Nice big dive. 3, 2, 1. Holy shit!
Have a look up this way. How was that?
Scary.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Good. Well